When it comes to professional-grade projection systems, performance, reliability, and installation flexibility are the features that matter most. The Optoma ZU920TST 3D Short Throw DLP Projector is designed to deliver all three, making it a powerful solution for businesses, educational institutions, large venues, and professional AV environments. Before we dive into the details, if you're interested in purchasing this projector, you'll find the product link in the video description below. At first glance, one of the standout characteristics of the ZU920TST is its short throw capability. This allows users to create incredibly large images from a relatively short distance. Instead of needing extensive space between the projector and screen, you can achieve impressive display sizes while keeping the projector much closer to the projection surface. This feature is particularly beneficial in conference rooms, training centers, classrooms, museums, and auditoriums where space optimization is important. Image quality is where this projector truly shines. Equipped with WUXGA resolution, it delivers a sharp and detailed viewing experience that enhances everything from presentations and spreadsheets to videos and graphics. The 16:10 aspect ratio provides additional vertical workspace, making it especially useful for professional presentations and educational content. Small text remains clear and readable, while images maintain their detail and accuracy even on large screens. Whether you're displaying business analytics, architectural plans, educational materials, or multimedia presentations, the visual clarity remains consistently impressive. Brightness is another major strength of this projector. Designed for commercial and professional environments, it produces highly visible images even in rooms with substantial ambient lighting. This means users don't need to darken the room completely to enjoy a bright, impactful display. For conference halls, lecture theaters, and public venues, this level of brightness can make a significant difference in audience engagement. Color reproduction is equally noteworthy. Thanks to advanced DLP imaging technology and a laser light source, the projector produces rich colors, strong contrast, and realistic visual performance. Presentations appear more vibrant, videos look more dynamic, and graphics stand out with greater clarity. The laser light engine also offers a significant advantage over traditional lamp-based projectors. By eliminating the need for frequent lamp replacements, the projector reduces maintenance costs and improves long-term reliability. Organizations can enjoy extended operation while minimizing downtime and maintenance interruptions. Installation versatility is another area where the ZU920TST excels. Professional installations often require precise positioning and adaptation to unique room layouts. The projector is designed to accommodate these challenges, allowing for flexible mounting options and easier deployment in a wide variety of environments. The build quality reflects its professional focus. Every aspect of the projector feels engineered for demanding applications. From its durable construction to its efficient cooling system, it is built to handle continuous operation while maintaining consistent performance. For specialized applications, the projector includes 3D support, opening the door to immersive educational experiences, simulation environments, engineering visualizations, and advanced training programs. This capability adds another layer of versatility for organizations requiring more than standard presentation functionality. Motion handling performance is smooth and reliable, ensuring that video content, animations, and fast-moving visuals remain clear and enjoyable to watch. This makes the projector suitable for multimedia presentations, digital signage, and various professional content formats. Connectivity is comprehensive, supporting integration with modern devices and AV systems. Whether connected to laptops, media servers, conferencing solutions, or professional control systems, the projector fits seamlessly into existing workflows. Network management features further enhance its appeal for enterprise environments. Administrators can monitor, manage, and maintain projector performance across multiple installations, simplifying large-scale deployment and ongoing maintenance. What truly separates this projector from consumer-focused models is its ability to deliver dependable performance day after day. It is engineered for organizations that rely on projection technology as a critical part of their daily operations. This projector is ideal for businesses, universities, government facilities, museums, event venues, houses of worship, and professional AV integrators seeking a powerful and reliable projection solution. Overall, the Optoma ZU920TST combines exceptional brightness, advanced laser technology, sharp WUXGA resolution, flexible installation capabilities, and professional-grade reliability into one impressive package. If you're searching for a projector capable of producing large, vibrant, and highly detailed images in demanding environments, this model deserves serious consideration. If you'd like to learn more or purchase the Optoma ZU920TST, be sure to check out the link available in the description below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews of the latest projection and display technologies.